Hi guys, so this is the third episode of our CSS full tutorial in Tagalog and English, and we'll be talking about CSS borders, height, and width. So let's start off by opening our Visual Studio Code, and let's give this a snippet of doc type from Visual Studio Code. So I will be using internal styling, and then let's give this a div. So let's start off by creating our first border. So let me give this a class of dash. So from selecting our dash, we'll be typing up dot and dash for selecting dash. This is a selector for dash. So what I'm gonna do is give this a border style of dash. Yan. So as you can see, dash lang siya. So I'm gonna give this a height of 100 pixels. Yan. So we have a border. So let's change this to 20 para maliit lang yan. And then bigyan natin ng width of 20 para maging square. Yan. So let's just wrap this one to a class called wrapper para i-margin natin siya sa taas. So margin top of 10%. Yan. So yan. Mas malinaw na siyang makikita. So let's have another div. Let's create another div for dotted and solid. So ito lang yung mostly or commonly used from real web development in the real world. Ito lang yung mostly ginagamit namin. So dotted. And then ito ay solid. Ayan. So as you can see, ayan. Let's give this wrapper a display of flex. Yan. And then, para mag-inline siya, tapos bigyan natin ng gap in between those items of 10 pixels. Yan. So, we have the dash, dotted, solid, and ano pa ba? So, I think this is lang yung mostly ginagamit. So, we'll try another one. We'll call this rounded. So, paano ba gawing round yung border? So, I have a rounded. So, it's not rounded, it's still solid. So, paano ba gawing circle to? So, by calling a property called border radius at bigyan mo to ng 50% para maging circle siya. Ayan. We can also have a dash rounded uh, div. So, lagyan natin ng dash rounded. Ayan. So, doble lang natin to. So, bigyan natin ng dash rounded. And then, this is dash. Ayan. So, we have a dash circle. Ayan. So, we have a dotted and see solid. I think we already have solid in here. So, let's just get rid of that. So, dotted. Ayan. So, as we can see, we have square and circle of borders. So, I think this is lang yung mostly ginagamit. So, let me just give you another example of a rounded ito ay mostly makikita mo sa avatar mo, tulad ng Google o di kaya Facebook na may ah, image inside dito, kahit wala ka pang image na in-upload. So, or just avatar, it's first letter of your first name and first letter of your last name. So let me try to add a paragraph here. So let me give this an example of um, um, first letter of my name and last name letter of my last first name letter of my name. Yan, so R-O. So rounded. So check, try natin avatar. Rounded avatar. So create natin yung rounded avatar. Ayan, so hindi siya dotted. So solid siya. Ayan, bigyan natin ng um, still 20 pixels, but let's change this to span. Ayan, it's inside. So let's try to align the text. Ayan. So, change lang natin yung border width to 1 pixels. Ayan. And then, yung height is, try natin i-change to um, 25. Ayan. So, and then background color. Then, font weight of bold. Yan. Yan yung mostly makikita mo sa when you log into Google Chrome or kahit na anong application, basta wala ka pang in-upload na image, ito ang makikita mo, yung first letter ng first name mo tsaka first letter ng last name mo, yan. So, I think we covered the common borders that we are using, but there are some borders that is not commonly used, so I'll just give a give you an example. So, try lang natin lagyan ng div at class border common. Uncommon pala, uncommon. Ayan. So, try natin i-add si border uncommon. Uncommon. So, border style at ayan. So, as you can see, we have an intelligence of CSS that's gonna give us a suggestion of let's try double and bigyan natin ng width of 100 pixels. Ayan si double. So, mayroon ding iba. So, si groove. Ayan. Meron din si hidden. So, hidden means di mo makikita. So, inherit. Wala pa rin. So, initial. I think meron tong laman. So, let's try to add a text in here. So, sample border style initial. Let's give this a border color of black at saka border width of 1 pixels. And so sa border style, try natin change to mm, let's pass this one to paragraph para lumabas yung um, border niya. Let's change this one. Border and common, border style. So dotted, okay. Balik natin. So rig, ayan. Supposed to be my okay. So ridge. So si inset. Hmm. I think it's not working on this. browser. Let me just open up our index. Let's delete this one. Oh, ayan. So, si inset, ayan, as you can see, si inset, ganyan yung output niya. So, let's try to change, yan, si group, si inherit, wala siya. Si outset, ayan, parang naka-emboss. Uh, I think those are the common borders. I mean, uncommon borders. So, yung common borders lang is yung dash, dotted, at saka solid, at saka itong rounded. Yun lang yung mas common na gamitin sa real-time web development world. Gaya ng trabaho sa mga trabaho mo, ganyan. So, those are the common borders. I think that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Kita-kits sa next video.